The Embraer C-390 Millennium is a new generation multi-mission transport and tanker aircraft. It is the largest aircraft ever designed and built in Brazil, and is capable of performing a wide range of missions. The C-390 Millennium is a multi-mission transport aircraft that is designed to operate from semi-prepared and damaged runways, as well as in harsh environments. It is a critical tool for military airlift operations, and its capabilities make it an ideal choice for a wide range of missions, including humanitarian assistance, medical evacuation, search and rescue, and aerial firefighting. The Millennium was first announced in 2006, and the first prototype made its maiden flight in 2015. The C-390 entered service with the Brazilian Air Force in 2019. Brazil has 19 ordered and 6 delivered, while Portugal received 5, with the first entering service in October 2023. Austria, Czech Republic, Hungary, and the Netherlands are future operators, with orders to replace aging aircraft and deliveries expected in the coming years. The Millennium is a medium-sized transport aircraft that can be quickly and easily modified to perform a variety of missions. The C-390 has a length of 35.2 meters, wingspan of 35 meters, and height of 11.84 meters. Aircraft has an empty weight of 35,000 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 86,999 kilograms. The C-390's cargo hold measures 18.5 meters long, 3.45 meters wide, and 2.95 meters high, and is primarily accessed through a large rear ramp. It can carry a maximum payload of 26 tons, which is enough to transport 2 M113 armored personnel carriers, 1 Boxer or Brazilian VBTP MR Guarani wheeled armored vehicle, a Sikorsky H-60 helicopter, 74 litters with life support equipment, up to 80 soldiers, or 66 paratroopers with full gear. Loads up to 19 tons can be airdropped. The cargo hold also features a cargo handling and aerial delivery system produced by DRS Defense Solutions. Typical amenities include a galley, an accessibility-friendly toilet, an automatic temperature controller. The C-390 is powered by 2 International Aero engines V2500 E5 turbofan engines. Each engine has a maximum thrust of 31,330 pounds. The E5 engine is a high bypass turbofan engine that is designed for efficiency and reliability. It features a number of advanced technologies, including a single crystal fan, a high-pressure compressor with variable stator vanes, and a low-pressure turbine with blisks. The C-390 Millennium has a maximum speed of 870 kilometers per hour and a range cruise speed of 815 kilometers per hour. This means that the aircraft can travel at a relatively high speed, even when carrying a heavy payload. The C-390 Millennium's range is also impressive. With a maximum payload of 26 tons, the aircraft has a range of 2,000 kilometers. This means that the aircraft can fly long distances without refueling, which is important for supporting long-range missions. The C-390 Millennium has fly-by-wire flight controls with active side sticks, which reduces the crew's workload and allows the aircraft to withstand loads up to 3G. It also has an auto throttle system. The C-390 has a fully digital cockpit with head-up displays and Rockwell Collins ProLine Fusion commercial avionics. This means that the crew has access to the latest and greatest in avionics technology, which helps them to operate the aircraft safely and efficiently. The C-390 Millennium is equipped with the Selex Galileo Gabbiano tactical radar. This radar is a multi-mode radar that can be used for a variety of purposes. The C-390's navigation system includes a Selex ES Galileo Avionica Sky Flight Management System. The flight management system provides the crew with accurate and reliable navigation information, even in the most challenging environments. The C-390 also has a Honeywell Inertial Navigation System. The INS provides the aircraft with its position and attitude information, even in the absence of GPS signals. This makes the C-390 highly survivable in contested environments. The C-390's communication system includes a Rockwell Collins integrated communication, navigation, and surveillance system. The C-390's self-protection system includes an Elbit Systems Elisra SPJ-30 self-protection system. This system protects the aircraft from radar and missile threats. It also provides the crew with early warning of incoming threats. The C-390 Millennium is a relatively new aircraft, having entered service with the Brazilian Air Force in 2019. However, it has already been ordered by a number of other countries. This suggests that there is a strong demand for the aircraft, and that it is likely to be successful in the international market.